Our time at Dent Island was magical, but today we are motoring 13.4 nautical miles to the southwest side of Sonora Island to anchor in Cameleon Harbour, named for the Royal Navy survey vessel, the HMS Cameleon. Cameleon Harbour offers a sticky mud-holding bottom that many boaters love. It still funnels a pesky west wind on occasion, so for calmer water, the nearby sheltered Hanfield Bay is often the better pick. There were a few boats there when we cruised by, so we opted to carry on to Piddle Bay. Both Cameleon Harbour and Piddle Bay lie within or alongside Thurston Bay Marine Provincial Park, an undeveloped coastal gem where you can anchor, explore rocky beaches, paddle through islets, or hike to Florence Lake. All right, we had a beautiful run from Dent Island to Cameleon Harbour. We are swinging on the pick here in about 40 feet of water in what's called Piddle Bay. There's a trawler behind us and a sailboat here. And it's very peaceful. And evidently, we should be seeing some bears on the beach. I'll keep you posted. We were enjoying a beautiful, calm evening until dun dun dun. Jellyfish was sucked into our generator sea strainer. What a mess. We managed to clean it out with the shop vac, but the generator kept overheating, so we decided to head to Campbell River the next morning. Stay tuned.